So Rudo, I trained a doctor, say pastor. I trained I was a because when they arrested the doctor, everybody is happy. It's like when I was fighting with Aqua, everybody was happy. But when they blackmailed me, when I came back to bounce on the pastors, to bounce on to tell you that Mary is Satan, to bounce on Ebuko be the revenge of what they do to me, I become bad person. When I start to hate me. But you don't want to with Christianity. He don't like truth. He don't like truth. But what is happening, I like it. Just that I pray, don't you want to carry the you'll be free. And including me. Only one name arrange you should be arrested because he can be deceiving people. He can be fooling people. I call Nigeria government to begin to close churches that are doing arrange. You know, I've been saying it before. Not because of Ebukobio or because no, before Ebukobio, I fought the war. 2018, abundance of TB Joshua, abundance of Jeremiah, abundance of Buchiri, abundance of Ubatenje, abundance of Igila. Many pastors abandon their things. Then if you try, they will kill you. It changes today. If I have fortunately not, I've already fought pastors, prophets. Because I came to church, when I now find out this is the marine. This is occultic men. What are you trying to prove? You serving God and you're working under marine kingdom. I am too spiritual for you to come out and manipulate. I started church when I was 7. It's good. Let everybody be fake. Let everybody prove himself. I like it.